we have a special privilege. We have our two of our officers here. One is Mr. Stephen Chaco. May I request your grand class because all the time, in spite of his busy schedule, he took all the time to come here and train us. And at the same time, to assist us and to see that now our Hyderabad AP team is going to grow, continuous growth. Mr. Hari Kumar, Area Sales Manager, I think he also deserves a great clap. Give an applause. May I request Mr. Stephen Chaco for this evening training program.
Let me tell you the purpose why I am here. I am seeing a great momentum in Hyderabad business for Cycloscom. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? Right? There's a big momentum. And this is a time when the momentum happens, the company steps in and says, boss, look, you should have some system in place. Otherwise, whatever effort you're going to put, it's going to go waste. Yes or no? Right? I think we have stepped in at a right minute where we felt it is very important to put some basic system in place. How many of you heard of any system which we are following? Duplication. Okay.
Now, coming to the duplication. Now, some said 118, few said I do, we do, you do. All fine. It's all part of duplication. We want to follow a simple duplication. It is called 3S duplication. What duplication? It is called 3S duplication. What is 3S duplication? First S is startup training using strong mantra. That's a duplication. That has to be duplicated very, very well. Now, what is strong mantra? So, what are we talking in this strong mantra? Now, we are saying if someone joins new, first showing him a helping hand, follow up with him in 48 hours of a subscription, get him familiarized with the product, compensation plan and the website. A lot of time I've seen people don't know how to open the website. They don't know how to see the organization. They don't know how to see the commission. It is very important in 48 hours you take the new joinee to the product. Very, very important. Because the success is there. If he doesn't know the product, he's not going to do anything. Train your new joinee how to present the product, compensation plan, etc. Remember, I do, we do, you do, success principle. What does this mean? Now, usually someone learns a presentation. Now, if I am doing a presentation, you are all watching me. Yes or no? Right? You are watching me. Then I say, okay, we both do. You come here, I stand and we do a presentation. And then you do. I want you to do alone. Now, that's how we handhold someone. A very successful principle, I do, we do, you do. Please follow that. And it says open the Cycloscom content list in the handbook. So please go through the handbook. So what I'm trying to say is do a startup training using the strong mantra. This is the first system. If you want to be successful, if you want to do this business very actively, and this mantra which is being successful, which people have used and they have made money. So the discipline is this. You start the discipline of saying 3S formula. What is first is startup training. Please ensure anyone joining startup training is done using strong mantra. Our system is very clear, Sachin. Anyone joining Cycloscom in 48 hours, we should finish the startup training. If they're not clear about the product, compensation plan, they can't succeed. Have you gone to the theory at least? With that, you know what is the product, what are we doing, you have some clear idea. But no one has done a formal training. Have you gone through this handbook? You went through the handbook? Did you do the goal setting for yourself? See, startup training, that is what we do. We sit with you and do a goal setting. See, you have joined this organization for what? You want to make money, right? So you need to have a goal. The startup training will end only with the goal setting. You should know what is that you want to do. In what time frame you want to do. You want to achieve this. That goal setting sheet is there. It will be goal setting sheet, right? So it's important that you go through the startup training. And not just you going through. You have recruited how many people now? Sponsored how many people? You can always do it over the phone. You don't have to meet in person. Somewhere over the coffee, somewhere over the tea, somewhere in the evening. I think 48 hours we should achieve. Otherwise, it's 48 hours. If someone joins, you should take him through the product, website, do a startup training. Right? It's very, very important because we are in the business of duplication. Now, if you don't tell him to duplicate a system, how you can grow? Now you joined, you got 10 people under you or 8 people under you. People don't know the product compensation plan and they don't know you are a leader. What is the use? There's no duplication after that. It stops and you lose control on the team. You will not know where the team is going and where the team is going. You joined us as an independent distributor, but it is your organization which is growing. You need to follow certain basic systems. Any organization has got this very important. So if you're not gone through, is there tomorrow, please go through this startup training. If you can get all the 28 people, do this startup training, and as a system, as religiously as possible. If someone joins under you, under your team, you have the access, you can see who is going to join under you. You need to call them and ensure that 48 hours training is done. Very important. Okay? But we are into network marketing, we need to build that network. And network can be only built by duplication. What you do is what your people follow down. What you talk, your people down will follow you. They'll also talk the same language. Important. Okay? What is two? People say, yours is an internet business, we require a laptop. Nothing. If you have this card, it is sufficient. You can do prospecting, you can close speed. How many of you got this card? You all have this card. Okay? It's a mini presentation, right? What you want to present from a laptop, you have put it in a card. So don't think it is only if I have a laptop, if I have internet, if I have this, I can do business. No. You can do this business anywhere. It is as simple as this. Please remember the third is, you join or your downline who joins, in 15 days, they need to sponsor 2 people. Very important. You join me today, in 15 days, you should ensure 2 people join. Is it difficult to get 2 people? Is it difficult? No. It's not difficult, right? Someone said it is difficult. Now what is the answer the other man gave? He said, boss, when you come on the earth, you require at least 2 people to lift you. When you go back, you require 4 people to lift you. Is it difficult to get 2 people? Open your mobile. I'll tell you, you'll have at least 50 contact names. It is there. Getting 2 people is not difficult. It's only we need to decide, this is this. We need to get 2 people. Leaders should insist saying that, boss, you want to be successful, you have joined me now, get 2 people, that's it. And you tell the 2 people to get 2 people. Just follow the simple system. Sponsor 2 IDs in 15 days and be successful. Don't complicate. Don't confuse someone. After he does 2, his downline does 2, ask him to just follow the system and enjoy the product. Go to the seminar, do all those things. Unlike other companies, there is no consumption here. You need to buy every month 5,000 rupees. No, we don't have that. Once you buy the product, you are a user, right? There is no monthly consumption. You need to only watch your system. If you have a laptop, if you have a computer, if you know if you have the organization, keep watching who is the new guy joining today. New guy joined, just pick up the phone and call him and say, did you have this kind of training? He says no, take up his kind of training. And tell him, boss, you have got 15 days, you need to sponsor 2. If it's difficult, please help him to do it. So you need to help them. How do you help them? Make them to write the warm circle. First, address the warm circle. Warm circle is your relatives, friends, colleagues, whoever it is, right? Can't you recommend 2 people in 15 days? It's easy. If you have seen the product, if you have seen the seminar, if you use the product, please recommend, please talk about it. When you talk about the product, people will join. Recommendation. You need to tell people, saying that this is an amazing product. Just follow the system of getting 2 sponsors in 15 days. If you join new, have you done 2? How many days? I mean, there are people who have joined 1, 2 days back, fine. Are you going to join? Ensure that in 15 days 2 are going to join. 100%. Good. How about you, sir? Good. Yes, just arrived. Okay. Use your 100%. Please ensure you tell your people, 2 people to get 2. It's very simple. You need to push this 2. I'm telling you, it is not difficult. I'm saying this business is very simple. Let's not complicate this business. Okay. There is no monthly consumption. You pay 5580 or pay 9950. Just follow 3S. Okay. Even just if you take JUST, join, use, sponsor 2. Join, use, sponsor 2. Just follow 3S. And this is going to create magic. If you're going to follow the 3S and ensure that everyone talks about 3S. Every Sunday morning, you salute people with 3S. It's not just 50 what I'm talking. We will cross 100, 200, 500 and we'll become big in Hyderabad.